I received a small Evil Eye lot. Has some very interesting pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly open this, show you each piece individually. I do post on Poshmark and Mercari. If there's anything you're interested in, you can always comment below. Or in the description, there is a link that takes you to either Mercari, Poshmark, or just to message me. Being that this is on a video is on YouTube, if you let me know you're on YouTube, I'll give you an additional discount. All right, so this first item is some brand new earrings. There's a set of 2 Evil Eye earrings with a faux stone, a clear faux stone, and then they have the evil eyes dangling down. One pair is white with a blue. The other one is a dark blue with a lighter blue. Gold tone pierced earrings. They do retail $12. Looks like they were on sale for $6.99, so not very expensive. But you know, on Poshmark, you can always bundle a bunch of items together and everything's real cheap, or you can just get one item with a standard $6 shipping. Mercari does have a $3.50 shipping, and then of course I'll give you a great discount on it, and you can bundle with more than one Evil Eye piece. The next item is the Evil Eye protection, and as you can see there's the rope type necklace, I guess. It's in the packaging. I can't take it out of the packaging. These are all brand new. The Evil Eye, also known as Lucky Eye bead, is the amulet that Turkish people believe protects against the evil eye, a kind of negative power or bad energy that even well-maintained compliments include a conscious and unconscious dose of envy and resentment. So there you go with that pendant. This one is elastic. It has the Evil Eye and then the silver tone bead, Evil Eye. That is, the stretch is, you know, look, this is brand new. I think it's just out of the packaging. Price is negotiable. So if you're interested, please just let me know. And I will go ahead and post it and we'll make a deal on that price. All right, so this one here, the light tan beads are wood. Evil Eye, of course, is a glass. Some of the beads are natural stone. The oblong one, rectangle type shape, that is a natural. It's on elastic. Supposedly newer, so price is negotiable. I'm not sure what that would run, but you'll have to let me know if you're interested. Links are in the description to contact me, as well as my Mercari and Poshmark. So the next is another elastic bracelet, and I'm not sure. This orange is glass. It feels like it might just be plastic. In good condition. I don't think this one is new though. The elastic is stretched a little bit, but it's still in good condition and wearable. All right, so this red one feels like it's new. It has red beads and then the red Evil Eye. It has a little flip-flop silver tone hanging off of it. The stretch is good. I'm not sure. These beads feel like they're plastic. Could be glass. I'd have to test it with Presidium. Has some silver tone beads in between, and it does feel cheaply made. All right, so this one is another pendant, Evil Eye, and it's on a very sturdy string rope. And I'm not sure what you call the end there, like a bolo tie there, but that would go around the neck. Yeah, so looks like maybe that would adjust. Silver tone. And then on the back of the pendant is this little heart. So I'd have to look that up and see what company that may be, what brand that is. It's in excellent condition. I can't say if it's brand new. It does feel like it could be. And then a pair of pierced earrings, bronze tone. They have like a scroll design. It's a hand with an evil eye in the center in blue. And they are in excellent condition as well. Looks like they, you know, are fairly new, if not brand new, off the packaging. And would dangle around 1.5 inches. All right, so this next piece can be used on a keychain, on a necklace. It does have an open hoop at the top there that you could just close that up and attach it to whatever. It's all the blue Evil Eye, one larger pendant, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 beads, silver tone, about 3 3/4 inch long. Definitely not brand new, but you know, it could have been, and there's maybe, you know, being banged around in this box, but in good condition. The next is this tiny little Evil Eye gold tone on a little gold safety pin. It's got the little blue feather type above the bead, including the light blue piece. It's probably about 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so this next one is a glass pendant with the Evil Eye gold tone, little hoop attached to it. It says less than 1/2 of an inch in size. It is translucent. It's in excellent condition. All right, so the next one is a silver tone bracelet, and it's adjustable. It's got the pull type of clasp to adjust it. I'm not sure if it's silver plated. I'm thinking that it's not. It does have a genuine gemstone in the center. The rest are crystal, the light blue, dark blue, and then the white. And on the back of it, you can see all those little holes, but it is crystal. And I don't know what the actual gemstone is. If I figure that out, I will let you know. But that center eye is a gemstone. I'm going to go ahead and try this on. It is so pretty. It doesn't look like there's any gemstones missing that I can see right now. And the crystals, I don't think the crystals usually have the breathing holes in the back. So I'll look further into that as well. Now, they do look like crystal. And the last one is this semi-precious jade gold tone necklace that has the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little pendants hanging off of it. The green, of course, are that precious jade. And then the little white one, I think that's just a glass pearl. The other one is a plastic faceted. And then the gold tone hand. Wealth, Luck, and Peace retails $9.99 and looks like it was sold at Kmart. I don't see an actual length listed on here, and I don't want to take it out of its original packaging. So that is my Evil Eye auction lot. I have plenty more to post. It's just taken me a while to get to everything. So please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.